when you join as an officer, you should have a clear knowledge कि आप वो qualification आप में है जो as a signals officer आपको चाहिए. Now as a signals officer you need to be BTech, correct? Can arts background के साथ में आप signals में जा सकते हो as an officer? Do you know of any signals officer who is not a technical graduate? BTech नहीं है. Do you have BTech degree? So now you are qualified to join this, but you still have a choice. You can go for any other arm also. Right? You can say, I want to join combat arm, I want to join infantry, or I want to join armored. Why? Again, you should be able to say more challenge, something. Okay. So again, it is your awareness about that particular arm, about other arms and services. See, देखो, हर क्वेश्चन के पीछे देयर इज अ कॉन्टेक्स्ट. पहली बात तो स्ट्रेंथ जब हम पूछें आपसे कि भाई यू नो व्हाट इज योर स्ट्रेंथ, ये भी पूछते हैं. तो अगर स्ट्रेंथ पूछ रहे हैं तो वीकनेस भी पूछना बनता है. व्हाई वीकनेस? बिकॉज इफ यू आर अवेयर अबाउट योर वीकनेस यू कैन इम्प्रूव इट. कैन यू इम्प्रूव समथिंग विच यू आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ? पहले पता तो होना चाहिए ना, राइट? So this is just to see whether you are aware of your weak areas or not. First step is that to know where you are weak, and the second step is how you overcome it. Right? I find people writing housemaker, mother housemaker. Housemaker कौन होता है? मिस्त्री, right? जो चिनाई करता है, घर बनाता है ना, मकान बनाता है. घर कौन बनाता है? मदर बनाती है या आदमी लोग बनाते हैं. It will be either homemaker or it can be a housewife, not a housemaker. Okay. कई लोग PIQ में पूरा एड्रेस लिख देते हैं, विलेज सच एंड सच, पोस्ट ऑफिस सच एंड सच, गली नंबर 420, होली नंबर 420. Not required. What is required is place, district and state with the approximate population of the place. Right. Then when you say, you know, corpse of engineer, it is not corpse, it is written as corpse but pronounced as core of engineers. Gallantry awards, आप पैशन आर्म फोर्सेस जाने का, ये वो परमवीर चक्र क्या होता पता नहीं. परमवीर चक्र कोई विजेता का नाम बताओ तो पता नहीं. I think this is something which is not acceptable. When you say that you have interest in something, you should also have knowledge about that. The knowledge in a particular field is also reflective of your interest in that field. Knowledge about when you say कि which service you want to join. You want to join army. Army में क्या क्या चीजें हैं जो आप join कर सकते हो? What are the different arms and services? Right? Combat arms, combat support arms, services. आपके इंडियन आर्मी की वेबसाइट देखो, उसमें सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है. You want to join Navy. Navy में क्या क्या है? Right? What are the different arms and services? Executive branch, technical branch, Air Force, flying branch. Flying branch also you have fighters, transport, helicopters. हालांकि you don't have a specific choice कि आप बोलोगे मेरे को transport करना है, fly करना है, तो you will get transport. No. But yeah, you can have something, you know, transport flying होती है. So you are given this transport, helicopter, fighter stream at the time of your commissioning, based on your performance, based on your choice and based on the vacancies in that particular stream. The same thing happens for Army and Navy also. Okay, so you should know what are the different arms and services in Army and which are the different branches. The same thing in Air Force and Navy, we call them branch. Then you are going for a particular entry, you're going for a technical entry. Obviously, you know, you should know about the technical arms or technical branches. Air Force में आप technical के लिए जा रहे हो. Basically, it is called aeronautical engineers, right? It can be in either a mechanical or electronics, AEM and AEL. Okay. Then if you are ground duties आप कर रहे हो, so ground duties non-technical and technical. Technical engineering वाला हो गया. Non-technical you have ADAM. ADAM has got fighter controller, air traffic controller. Likewise, you know, your logistics, education, etc., etc. So this you must have some information about this for a entry that you are going. Okay, so at least you should know what you are going in for. Is your qualification what are the duties, etc., etc. Okay. So I think by and large, this is what I had to cover. In case you have any specific questions, you are most welcome to